A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Assalamu alaikum, brothers and sisters. Hope you all are doing well. Okay, this is Surah An-Nahl, ayat number 49. This is a difficult word. Many of you don't know how to say this word with spelling. Let's learn the spelling of this word, okay? Dal ali ba maz zabar da ba zabar ba da ba ta waw do zed tim da ba tim waw lam zabar wal mim zabar ma wal ma lam mat khadi zabar la hamza ze I kaf zabar ka ta pesh to wal malaikatu dabbatin wal malaikatu. If you want to learn the Quran with Tajweed, you can subscribe my channel. We provide online Quran classes as well. If anyone of you is interested in learning Quran, you can contact me in comment section, and my Instagram link is also there. You can contact me on Instagram. Jazakallah khairan.